Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will explain the basic arithmetic functions in MS Excel. So these functions are average, sum, min, max, count, and count A. So let's start. Let's move to the second sheet, the student data sheet, and here we have the data. Let's first of all explain the average function. The average is used to find the average of numbers, okay, the selected cells. So I will write here a header average or IVG, okay, just average, and down here let's find the average of the students of these three cells like math, English, and chemistry. Equal to average, we will use average function and select these three cells. After that, close that and press enter. So we have found the average for all cells, so we can just decrease the decimal points. Just come here to the look at decrease decimal points, like bring it to the 2 points. So this is the average of the students that we have found. Now let's move to the second function, which is sum. Sum is used to find the sum of the cells in a range. For example, you want to find the sum of these chemistry, or we can use the best place for sum is like come here to the sales data, and we want to find the sum of these cells. So this is sums. Let's find that here, equal to sum, and select all these prices and close it and press enter. So the sum is 2864. This is the sum of all these prices. Now let's move to functions again, and minimum. Min is used to find the minimum value. So let's come here to the student. I want to find the minimum average in this list. Equal to min, select the averages, close it and press enter. The minimum is 69.33. This is the minimum average. If you want to find the maximum, okay, the max is used to find the max value. Equal to max, select again the averages, close that, press enter. The max is 80.23. That is the max average that we have found. The count is used to find the number, okay, the cells which contains number. It is counting numbers in a range. For example, I would like to just apply this, okay, equal to count, and I just want to just select these areas. So we have just two cells which contain numbers. But if I add here the string, it will not affect, okay, in this area. Text will not affect it. But if I add a number, look at 3, because we have just used this range. So that is 4. It means it is counting number in area, counting the cells which contain number. Count A is used to count the cells which contains, okay, non-empty. It means if the cells contain number or text, whatever is that, so it will count all those cells. Okay, for example, if you want to cells these, if that is text or numbers or whatever is that, so it will count those cells. Equal to count A. Count the count function we're counting the cells which contains numbers, but count A is used to count all the cells which contain number or string. 2, let's for example add number. 3, text. 4, special character, we can't enter that, like this. That is okay. 5, whatever is that, so it will count those for us. So these were the basic arithmetic functions that we have explained: average, sum, min, max, count, and count A.